Jesus Christ. What the hell happened to you?
Got in a fight.
No shit. What'd you do?
What?
Somebody beat the shit out of you. What'd you do to make them do it?
Make them. He jumped me. But you know all about that, don't you?
Oh, really, you wanna go there? Huh? Wanna bring up the past? For every one that you got on me, I got 30 on you when you were there trying to do something that wasn't for you.
I was jumped by a random bum at work, and I lost my job because of it. I didn't start anything.
It doesn't even make sense. They fired you because you got beat up?
Because he's a fucking asshole, that's why. Why are you even here? How did you find me?
You gave me your forwarding address. You don't remember that? Get your head in the game.
What do you want from me?
I want you to do something for yourself.
What the fuck do you think I have been doing? If I didn't just get fired, I'd be fucking perfect.
You shouldn't have gotten fired, huh?
I was attacked. I was defending the store. I didn't start anything. Look, fact is, I just lost my job. And the rent is coming up. If you really want to do something to help me, and lend me a couple of bucks until I find a new job. It's not too much. I'm only a little short. And the month it'll buy me will be more than enough time to find a new job. Come on. What do you say?
How much?
About 200?
You expect me to give you $200, man? I'm not gonna support you. I'm not gonna give you the money to buy your junk, man.
Jesus fucking Christ. It's not for that. I swear, I've been clean for the past month.
A month? Dude, I just saw you. You were fucked out of your head. And you look even worse now.
Wasn't fucked up then. I told you that as you threw me in your fucking trunk. I've been clean for a month this fucking Tuesday.
Yeah. So basically, expecting to be that you just randomly decided to be sober. And it's been a fucking month. You didn't think to pick up the phone and go, "Hey, Jeremy, how are you? How you doing? Oh, and that needle I have cemented to my arm? Oh, I had it removed. And why don't we play some checkers? Fuck you."
Fuck you, man. I don't need this fucking shit right now. You're supposed to be my fucking friend. I shouldn't have to explain myself to you. Especially not after the shit you pulled. Jeremy, I come to you clean and sober. And I ask you one favor. One that I know you can do, no problem. Hey, I'm trying to act like a human fucking being, and you're just gonna sit there and throw me in this goddamn cage again. Well, fuck you. Get the fucking shit out of my house.
You remember how this all started? Huh? Do you remember what I told you? I don't care what you do. I won't judge you. I won't hold it against you. I'm not gonna try to stop you. You're a grown man, you can make your own decisions. You're very capable of it. I'm not gonna step in and try to run your life. The only one thing I asked of you You lied to me time and time and time again. I mean, shit. You're a fucking degenerate. Yeah, a degenerate. I fucking said it. So don't you get all high and mighty on me saying, well, I don't have to do this and I don't need a father figure. You need a father figure. More than anyone, between the two of us, you need it. So I have every fucking right to question you on your motives, so you don't screw me again. So it's money this time. Here. Spend as much as you want. When that bill comes in, you're gonna pay me every fucking cent. By the way, I don't even think you rent here. Happy fucking squatter. Smart enough.